Hey guys, assalamualaikum, namaste, welcome back to my new vlog. This is your boy Shoaib. I hope you are doing well, guys. First of all, I would like to say wish you a happiest Ramzan to each and every one of you guys. And after a long time, I'm uploading this new vlog, so sorry for that. And in this vlog, I'm gonna show two new Persian kittens. So let me show you first, or later we will discuss about it. Bye. As I said to you, here's a new kitten. As you can see, he's starting to mate. Okay, here's the one. He's 31 days old and he's male. As you can see here, he as it is looks like his mother Honey. I think you know it very well about my first cat Honey. She gave birth to these kittens. He as it is looks like his mother Honey. Here's a photo, and also he's 31 days old, guys. And also here's the second one. As you can see, here's the second one. He's also a 31 days old. He is also a male, and until now we didn't kept any name. So suggest me a good name and let me know in the comment section. Okay. Both look like this. So, hello. Yeah. See here. I have made a previous video. Go and check out about my 6 Persian cats and how I maintain them, and you know what, we discuss about that topic. So I will give the link in description and the I button and the end screen, so don't worry about it, guys. Now I finally have 8 Persian cats at my home, alhamdulillah. And here's the one. I don't know what she's talking. Yeah, this is okay. No, he's going to tell. Yeah, guys, please suggest me a good name and let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye. And the second one. Here's the one. Yeah, now he's also going to tell that. Guys, please suggest me a good name and let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, hope you love this video. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now and click on the bell icon to be notified every update from Proddatur vloggers. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Okay, meet you in next vlog. Bye.